There is a silent assassin waiting in the financial markets right now. It's not inflation. It's not the US election. And it's not even a recession. It is something much more dangerous. Because almost no one is paying attention to it. Japan has finally decided to raise interest rates. You might ask, why should I care about Japan? I live in the US. I invest in American stocks. That is the most dangerous mindset you can have in 2026. Because Japan has been the world's ATM for the last 30 years. And that ATM is now shutting down. Let me explain exactly how this crash works. It's called the yen carry trade. Imagine you can borrow money for free. 0% interest. What would you do? You would borrow billions and buy high-growth assets, like Nvidia, Tesla, or Bitcoin. Wall Street has been doing this for decades. They borrowed cheap yen to pump up the US stock market. But now, the rules have changed. Japan is raising rates. The loan is no longer free. Suddenly, these hedge funds have to pay back the money. And to pay it back, they have to sell their assets. They will sell Apple. They will sell Microsoft. They will dump everything to cover their yen debts. This creates a massive liquidity black hole that sucks everything down with it. We already saw a preview of this movie. Do you remember August 5, 2024? It was called Black Monday 2.0. The market collapsed in a single day. And guess what triggered it? Japan raised rates by a tiny amount. Just 0.25%. A tiny 0.25% hike caused a global panic. Now, imagine if they raise it to 1% or higher. The scale of the crash could be 4 times larger. We are talking about a potential 20% to 30% correction in the S&P 500. This is not fear-mongering. This is simple math. So, is your portfolio ready for this tsunami? If you are 100% in stocks, you are naked in a storm. Here is your exact survival guide. Write this down. Step 1. Increase cash reserves. Cash is not trash right now. Cash is oxygen. Raise your cash position to at least 20%. When the market crashes, you will need this cash to buy quality stocks at a bargain price. Step 2. Deleverage immediately. If you are trading on margin, or if you have high interest debt, pay it off now. The volatility will be extreme. Margin calls will wipe out amateur investors in seconds. Do not be one of them. Step 3. Safe havens. Consider allocating 5 to 10% of your portfolio to gold or short-term government bonds. When stocks bleed, these assets will act as your shield. Listen carefully. I am not telling you to sell everything and hide under your bed. I am telling you to prepare. The biggest wealth transfers in history happen during crises. The yen carry unwind is coming. It is inevitable. But if you are prepared, it will be the greatest buying opportunity of your life. I will keep monitoring the yen and the Fed. I will tell you exactly when to re-enter the market. Don't miss the signal. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification right now. This is Mindset Syntax. Stay sharp. I'll see you in the next video.